If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To format a legend in Excel, if you added a legend to a chart, choose Legend from the Chart Elements dropdown in the Current Selection button group on the Format Contextual tab of the ribbon. Then click the Format Selection button below the drop-down menu in the same button group. Alternatively, right-click the legend in the chart. Then select the Format Legend command from the pop-up menu. Using either method then shows the Format Legend task pane at the right side of the screen. In the Legend Options category, which appears at the top of the pane and is selected by default, click the Fill and Line, Effects, or Legend Options subcategory settings icon below the category to set its related options for the legend. To choose another major formatting category to show in the task pane, click the desired category to set, like Legend Options or Text Options. Click the desired subcategory settings icon below it, and then change any subcategory options below that. The formatting options for the selected subcategory appear in collapsible and expandable lists at the bottom of the task pane. To expand and collapse the individual subcategory options, click the option titles. Then set any individual options as desired in the task pane to immediately apply those changes. When finished, click the X button in the upper right corner of the task pane to close it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.